Watching. This is unboxing my Joogsquad and I part. So let's get to it. Just gonna put this down. I'm gonna put it down now because you know, phone's dry. See, it actually says Black Storm Trooper. Storm. Oh, it's a small. Oh. I know there's stickers in here. I can hear it. Trying to open this. That's really on here. Oh, I thought it was separate. Alright. Okay. Well, as you can see, I have tie-dye shirt. I think it's a small one. I could probably fit it pretty tiny. Pretty nice. And my Stormtrooper hat. That's fucking awesome. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so wearing this. Look at that. Oh my god. That's so cool. That's really dope. I'm wearing this one. It's one of the one I got like a couple months ago. Oh, that fits too. And I got stickers. I knew I get stickers. See, this is why I love Joogsquad. I only ordered this hat and that shirt, and I did not order stickers at all. To be honest, I didn't even want. Oh, I got new ones. I didn't even want stickers anyway, but I got new ones. Like that one. That one's pretty new. It's really new. Oh, I have another one. It says, "Don't be scared of dying, you forget to live." Joogsquad. It's on there. Got another one. I saw that on Instagram. Oh my god, wait, all of them are new. Oh, it's nice. Okay. I know some fan made this. And I'm working on making them a new one too. So, beware of that. And that one too. Very nice. I didn't even ask for stickers really, but this is Joogsquad. This is what you get. And I got another box. Honestly, I don't know what this is because I ordered two things, so I know there's stickers in here, but I don't know. I really did not order any of this. How do you open this? Get out of here. Found some scissors. Hopefully I don't cut myself this time. So it's gonna be like Yes, this is how I open boxes. You should see me open up mail. Horrific. Wait, they gave me another shirt? Oh! Oh, they gave me 2. Did I order twice? Oh, shit. Oh. Oh my god, they gave me the stick. Oh, this is funny. This is hilarious. They gave me the same thing. Oh shit, what is this? Oh, no way. No way. Look. Jack Titty's freaking autograph in that one. Oh, I got the mystery box. That's so dope. No, this is funny. They gave me the same exact hat. Oh. Twins. Oh. Oh, so nice. That's so dope. And they gave me more stickers, of course. So now I got like 200 more stickers. Oh no, it bent. It bent. Okay. I'll put all the stickers on. All the same stickers. Some of them are new. Ooh, that one's new. And show that one. It says, live every day like it's your last. It's nice. Wow. No, like seriously, did I order twice? I don't know. I don't know if they just do this out of kindness. Or did I do something? I'm not gonna complain because I'm not giving them back. It's mine. Same shirt. Same. That is so funny. I have a freaking twin. Yeah, that is it. And yeah, that is it for the. The only thing that's new is Jack Tenney's autograph with color balls. That is so dope. I would hang this up. But I don't think tape is gonna hold it. So, you know, I'm just gonna put it right there. And yeah, subscribe for more. Subscribe down below. Leave a like for this video. And yeah, more drawing videos to come. I'll probably be doing more vlogs like this. I need to, because I just need to be out. So, yeah, that is so cool. I got the fucking mystery box. Sorry for my language, but oh my god. That is so dope. I've never been that excited for somebody's autograph. So, yeah, whatever.